What's going on, guys? My name is Gio, and today I am going to be taking apart the Battlefield 4 dock tags. I just pre-ordered my Battlefield 4 for PlayStation 3. My PlayStation Network ID is I Can Kill Ya. So I went to Gamestop and I pre-ordered it. I think I put $20 down. So if you guys are concerned about pre-ordering it, because the PlayStation 4 and the Xbox 720 is coming out on that pretty much the same month that Battlefield 4 is coming out. They say that they can give you the option to transfer your pre-order to a PS4 or Xbox 720. That was my only concern. That's why I was not gonna pre-order it. But let's go ahead and open this up. Hold the camera for me. Okay. Let's see what's inside. Is there anything else in here? Oh, cool thing here. I'm guessing this is for the DLC. Okay. And the dog tags. You can see the dog tags. It's Battlefield 4 on it. The other one, it's Prepare for Battle. Pretty nice dog tags. It's metal, and yeah, these are really cool. I mean, I definitely recommend you to go and pre-order them right now. You get these for free at Gamestop, so you can even pre-order it for $5 and you get these for free. And you also get a DLC code for the first, I think it's a Mac pack and a couple of guns. The first DLC is free. So guys, I recommend you to go to GameStop right now and pre-order it either for Xbox 360 or PS3. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.